Hi, future LAMC Honors students. My name's Mike Fenton. I'm the Honors Program Director, and I'm going to give you a little video on how to apply to the program. So we'll start by looking at the LA Mission webpage. And when I come over here and look at this, I see students over here, and I click on students. I come along the side of the right column down to the Honors Transfer Programs. I click on that. And I've now exposed the Honors Transfer Program page that has a lot of information. And as some of you apply to the program and get in, I'll discuss these different parts of the website as appropriate. But in this case, we're going to focus on the application process. So if I look over here at the left column and I go to Forms, I see I have 4 potential PDF files here. One of them says Honors Application, and I'll click on that. And here's the Honors Program application. So from here, we'll start with the application is composed of the top part indicating the requirements so that you know if you're eligible to apply to the program. And some of these eligibility requirements, if you don't meet them, then you might want to make an appointment with me, and we'll discuss that and how to get you into the program appropriately, depending on what parts of the requirements you might be lacking in. Then it comes to the second part here, and it says items 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 items that you're going to collect as your application packet to the Honors Program. The first item says completed applications form. That's the form you have in front of you, and if you go down, you see date, name, you put your student number, mailing address, you have some contact information, and you fill that out. The second part here, number 2, is you have a letter of recommendation from a faculty member that you need to obtain. Ideally, you get that from an LAMC faculty member. If you haven't taken classes here and you've only taken classes in high school, you can get one from a high school teacher. If you have a certain faculty member that you're more comfortable asking something like this of, and they're from another community college, you're welcome to do that as well. So then you have your completed application form, you have your letter of recommendation from a faculty member, and the third part is a 500-word essay, which is essentially a personal statement. I get a lot of questions on what I want there. Ultimately, the point of this is so that I get a better sense of what you're about and how to work with you as an individual, since each of you are going to have your different individualities in terms of whether or not what obstacles you overcame to get into the college or to get this far in your educational process. Additionally, what your goals are and how you're trying to achieve those goals. And those are the kinds of things that you would put into your essay. It does not have to be exactly 500 words, but it should have enough information there so that I could identify you as a unique individual that's applying to this program. And lastly, I need your unofficial transcripts. I need to verify the units you've taken, your overall GPA, and your English 101 eligibility. So once you collect those 4 things, you put it in some kind of a folder, binder, whatever you like, and you can bring it to my office at CMS 243. And if I'm not there, you slide it under the door. Within a day or 2 from the time I pick it up, I'll review it, and then I'll send you an email indicating not only that I received your application, but what the results are in terms of whether or not you're accepted conditionally, accepted, or denied, and why. Okay, so that hopefully will help you out in filling out the application, getting through the process so that you can start your academics at LA Mission College with the Honors Program as your support. Thank you.